Hello, Betia. I, JBN Varsha Singh from the Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Our today's topic of what is the intelligent web from the subject of cloud computing. So, in this session, we will cover what is intelligent web and some example of intelligent web. Actually, uh, intelligent web is a technology which use AI machine learning for predicting data and for making ease of searching and very smart technology used during developing the web intelligent, right? So in this section we will see how web intelligent developed and what is the working of web intelligent web. So suppose you start using a web application to order food, and every Wednesday you order fish. You would have a much better experience if on Wednesday the application asked you, would you like fish today, instead of what would you like to order today. That means the application somehow realized that you like fish on Wednesday, right? In the second case, the application remains obvious to this fact, thus the data created by your interaction with the site does not affect how application chooses the content of page or how it presented. Asking a question that's based on the user's prior selection introduces a new kind of interactivity between the website and its user. So we could say that website with that property have a learning capacity, and this capacity comes from with machine learning technology. So the you can say the advanced web development is called web intelligent. The example of web intelligent is version 3.0. Previous we use web intelligent 2.0 version, and if we will see the further what can intelligent web can do. So intelligent web application with the user may adjust due to the input of other users that are somehow related to each other. If your dietary habits much closely those of John, the application may recommend a few menu selection that are common for John. So in making of web intelligent smarter using some intelligent algorithm to make this possible web intelligent. Another example would be social networking site such as Facebook, which could offer a fact checking that room or election electronic forum. By fact checking, we mean that as you type your message, there is a background check on what you write to ensure that your statements are factually accurate and even consistent with your previous message. This functionality is similar to spell checking, which may be already familiar to you, but rather than check grammar rules, it checks a set of facts that could be general truth. The Japanese invasion of Manchuria occurred in 1931. So these are the some application of web intelligent. The other example, you can take Netflix, which predict how and which type of movie you like for your predicting data and analyzing your surfing data on the internet. So this type of web intelligent is made up of with artificial intelligence technique and machine learning. So in you can take second example of Google. You may legitimately wonder why Google. People knew how to perform information retrieval search task long before Google appeared on the world scene. But search engines such as Google take advantage of the fact that the content on the web is interconnected, and this is extremely important. Google's thesis was that the hyperlink within web pages from an underlying structure that can be mined to determine the importance of the various pages. So some page ranking algorithm is make this possible. Examples of intelligent web application, like when a lot of what we had to offer remained untapped until 1998, when link analysis emerged in the context of search and took the market by a storm. Google Inc. has grown in less than 10 years, a startup to dominant player to the technology sector due to primarily success of link-based search, and secondary to a number of other services such as Google News and Google Finance. So making web intelligent, we will use various kind of algorithm and languages. You can take live example of Amazon will recommended additional items that are somehow related to the ones you have just selected. It could recommend books that involve Ajax or Ruby on Rails. In addition, during your next visit to the Amazon website, the same or other related items may be recommended. Right? So intelligent web application extends world beyond search engine. The online retailer Amazon was one of the first online stores that offer recommendation to its user based on their shopping pattern. So this is all makes possible by using some advanced algorithm and technique. So this is all about this session. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session provided by version 2.0 from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you, class.